scammers with harmony. Yeah, drop a loan on them. Wait. What's this P.P.P stuff everybody talking about, bruh? P.P.P, let me explain it. You only gotta lie on this phone to get a payment. That's 20K today, make your way out to Hollywood, make your business good, and get out your mama basement. And if your girl act up, it's time for a replacement. No room for debating. These hoes after paper. 7K for gators, 5 for the watch and the Gucci, and rest I'ma spend it on some coochie.
I got my P.P.P, now she all on me. So where we going, baby? Tulum or P or maybe, but first a shopping spree. Hold on to the receipts, hit the plug for a pound. Now I head spinning round. We gotta pay the town, whipping blasting sounds. You hungry, huh? We can go to Vogue the Child. It's a business expense, write it off in the end. Spend it all in the week, on the bad little freak. You got your P.P.